Hey, good morning, everyone. Ro from Ro's Kitchen. I wanted to share with you what I have for breakfast once in a while. I'm not really a shake girl, but I prefer food, chewable food, but there are days when I just need that little extra microbiotic, little extra something. I found something that I've gotten involved with that I absolutely love, and I never liked shakes before. I never liked shakes. I found them grainy, I found them chalky, and even growing up, I never even was a milkshake girl. You know what I mean? If I drink a milkshake, or when I used to drink milkshakes, not anymore, they used to have to be thin, very little ice cream, mostly milk. Well, I'm weird, what can I tell you? Well, anyway, I got involved with this company, and I'm telling you, I've never felt better. And thank goodness that on the mornings I'm not really hungry, but I need a little something. I have one of their complete shakes. So I'm going to show you the one I'm making today, because I love the chocolate and the vanilla. The vanilla is actually my favorite, because with the vanilla, I do all kinds of combinations. Amazing combinations. But I want to show you what I do with my chocolate one too. I do chocolate cherry, but this is my other favorite. You ready? So I take, and I've got these huge strawberries. Look at these babies. Look at them. They're gigantic. And I will tell you, I put some ice in here, and I'm just going to use the NutriBullet. I'm not going to use my Vitamix. Well, hopefully everything will fit. I might have to cut it down. But I'm throwing the stems in too, because I don't have any spinach, so I need some greens. So I'm going to throw I guess I really should cut them a little bit, huh? They're a little big. But they'll be good. And I don't know how sweet they are, but I am a sweet girl. I like my sweet. So I'll put them in there. And then I do use hemp milk. Now 99% of the time I use water. But for some reason, on this one, I wanted to use hemp milk, okay? And then I'll put my chocolate, so it's a chocolate strawberry, almost like a chocolate-covered strawberry drink, all right? And I'll put that in there. And then, I said I was a sweet girl, right? Well, I want it a little bit sweeter, so I'm just going to add just a half a teaspoon of date paste. It's just pure dates, that's all. Just a little dab will do ya. I wonder if anybody knows that old commercial, a little dab will do ya. Oh my gosh, am I showing my age or what? All right, so let's get this rolling, and I'm going to start it, and that's it. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot. I do put some flaxseed in here, and I buy my flaxseed in bulk. I'm not going to grind it right now because it'll get ground up in here, but I always buy it full seeds. That's about a tablespoon in there, about a teaspoon, tablespoon. I always buy whole seeds because it's better to grind it yourself. So that's the dealio here. So we're going to make that baby with the stems and all. Why bother? Why make an extra mess or extra? I probably have to add more liquid to this, so I'm going to add water after this. Let me get my water ready. Put a little water. I got to get it out of my fridge because it's filtered. So I'll grab about a half a cup, but I probably won't need it all. So that's okay. All right, get ready for the noise. Woo! Whirl, whirl. I love the color. Ooh! Oh, maybe I don't need it. Let's see. Like I said, I don't drink them real thick. Ooh, that's not thick. It's not too thick. Perfect. I don't need the water. So let's taste it. Oh my gosh. You ready? I love it. Strawberry chocolate. So that's it, guys. If you're interested in hearing more about my my shake mix, give me a holler. I'll tell you all about it. It's the same company that I do my tower garden with. Yeah, thank you. I needed extra something to do. Did I? Yeah, I love it. Contact me. I can't wait to talk to you. Bye now.